Here's problem 10. It says, given the lengths of two sides of a triangle, tell what the third side's length must be between. Well, we have two guys that are 14 and 12, so we've got to figure out, hey, what can that other guy be? Now, there's an easy pattern, but let's think about this. If this one guy is 14 and the other guy is 12, what's the longest I could make that third side? Well, I could stretch this guy out almost flat like that, and that would make this third side almost be right on top of the 14 and 12. Well, you can see 14 and 12. Those are about 26 apart. So this other guy would be almost 26. Since this has to stretch up a little bit, it's going to be a little bit less than 26, the two added. Now, what would be the shortest we could make the side? Well, here's the 14 side. If I took the 12 and just stretched it all the way as far as it could go, made that angle super small, well, you could see this final side is going to be a little bit more than 2, a little bit more, M-O-R-E, than 2. Because if it were flat, it would be exactly 2. Since you got to be up a little bit, it's got to be a little bit more than 2, maybe 2.01 or whatever. So, in other words, the smallest we can make it is pretty close to 2, and the largest we can make it is a little bit close to 26. So the measurement we say is between 2, here's our measurement, between 2 and the largest, 26. That's our answer. Now it can't equal them, so we don't put an or equal to here, because if it was laying flat, it would be exactly 2. It's got to be a little bit more than 2. So the measurement is between 2 and 26. The easiest way to do this is if you take 14 and 12, right here, how do we get 2? We subtracted them. How did we get 26? We took 14 and 12 and did what? Added them. So if you just take the two sides and subtract them, that'd tell you the smallest you could get close to. And if you add them, it'd tell you the largest you could get close to. Can't quite get to those numbers, but you get pretty close to them. So there's our answer. The third side's length must be somewhere between 2 and 26.